So, till nice to meet you, Sotiel. Can I be your friend? Ang dami nag-follow sa akin. DJ Coca, hello. Can you follow me back? I wish you have a good day, DJ Coca. You want my copy? What are you saying? The 100, baby. You will be my baby. It's the 100, James. For today's video. Chat mo ko. Kindly PM me and then after yun natin is still private. So, yung challenge niyo ako pwede. Yung 100 JC. Aray ko. Isang bagsak ng taste me dyan. Pero pwede paano ko sa buhay ko. Akechi! Isang bagsak muna ng 1K kakanta ko. Dali, waiting sila. Obo, waiting guys ha. Pag nagbagsak si JC ng 1K kakanta ko. Come on, JC. Kakantahan kita, be. Isang bagsak muna, JC. Ngayon na. Na-charge ka 1K. Kaya sa hindi ka Spurs. You can drop it na. And then after you drop it, is the private. Michael Lito, hello! Come on, follow me back, Michael Lito. Swendy Crush first. And then after you drop, it is the private. Margo, hello. Hi, Shao. You want my copy, Shao? Don't forget to PM me. Sa papa 10% ko lang cellphone ko. Ang magbagsak agad ng Kasi nahanap yung 1K dito eh. Ano na pala siya? Big show money na pala. Hindi na pala siya luxury car. Hanap natin yung luxury car. King's Glory 1K. Yun, pwede. Fireworks. So, you can drop 1K na, guys. And then, after you drop, then it's the private. Yung 999. How are you? Ayun, may luxury car pa. Then, after you drop, then it's the private. Don't be shy. Just try to be happy. Okay na ako guys. Plan po nga ako ng sinilusin.